I'm so excited to be sharing with you a little bit behind the scenes, a quick peek behind the curtain of what I've been working on for you. So I've been spending a little bit less time on the weekly videos, although more will come onto YouTube or the weekly blogs, but more will come with that too. I've been taking a step back and really responding to what people have been asking me for. They would tell me they would love a blueprint as to how to create an online learning event, a virtual learning experience, what's involved, what should they make sure that they don't forget to do, or that they don't even know to do. So I've been creating this 5-day mini course. It's a 5-day challenge on different elements that are super important. So I haven't cut this and laminated it yet, but it's the live virtual events 5 Ps. And so this is going to be a free download. It's a quick reference card infographic with, very quickly promotion. And what do I mean by those 5 Ps with the 5-day challenge? So there's going to be a little challenge each time to a call to action for what can you do with the information. So it's practical, applicable, and in really quick and easy information that you can apply them right away. If people want to get into more in depth, I will have other resources and information too. But let me just take you behind the scenes. I'm going to share here a little bit. So I've been working on this course pretty soon. I hope this week, and maybe in the link below this video or in the blog that's included with this, I might have this ready even today. So I'm creating this 5-day challenge course, facilitating online learning events. It could include meetings too, a roadmap for creating that virtual learning experience. And so as I'm even showing you, I might not have online twice here. It's really in the works. It's so exciting. I'm hoping to have it soft launch the end of this week. There's so many moving parts behind the scenes that I need to get ready, but it's so exciting. So I'm going to show you a little sneak peek as well. And so you can already sign up for the course, but what I'm planning to do as well, following the lead of a colleague, that each week when I'm ready to launch it fully, I will offer the module free for a week, and then the next one free for a week for one of the 5-day challenges. If people want to buy the whole thing, super low cost, early bird introductory rate with huge high value. So I have most of the videos all up, just some of the checklists and additional resources I'm still creating. But let me just take a look here and I'll show you. So day 1, I have the quick intro, then a little image of the checklist that goes with it. The beginning of the course, you would get the download as well. And then I have a video. Did you know that an awesome... So, with great additional visuals and tips. And then the transcript from the video, I have it uploaded as closed captions, but then I go through what did I say on camera and added additional information. So this is all information too that's going to be added and expanded on even more in an upcoming book. So many exciting things are happening. And then you can download this checklist too. So I'll make sure when I go in here that I have made the checklist enable download, so that you can download that. It's a checklist. And then I have, this is a lot of fun, the challenge as well. So your just finished. Should you accept it for promotion? So just finished editing that today. That's uploaded, and then I'm working on some additional supports and resources. So that's day 1. So it's quick and able to, you could, if you bought the course, you'd probably be able to easily do the whole course in don't know, an hour or something. I haven't looked at what the time is, but I wanted it to be really, fit into your busy life, but give you that blueprint, jump start on what's the difference. Facilitators, if you're used to speaking in person and now you are jumping online, what's the difference with a live event, or you're leading your team online and feeling maybe not as connected? What are things you can do to reach and engage the variety of learning types in your audience? And what are the pieces from that learning experience journey that maybe you don't realize are missteps to help you set up your event for success and set it up as an amazing, fantastic experience for your participants? And that means engaging and interactive. And I give you lots of ideas and resources. I'm just so excited to be sharing this knowledge that I have to share it with you. So this is just a sneak peek as to what's coming soon, to stay tuned. But if you're interested, I will put links below. And if you don't see it today, it will be there within the next few days. And thanks for checking this out. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe. It's free. It really helps support the channel and support me in letting YouTube know that this free content is of value and helpful to other people. Recently had a video go over 500 views, super exciting. And people can find it a lot easier if I'm getting likes on the videos, comments, people are sharing them, but especially that subscribe, and let other people know. If you're a facilitator, entrepreneur, speaker, you create content and speak and lead presentations or training, this is the place for you. My name is Patricia Regier. This is Regier Educational Services. Recently changed some of my social media channel handles to Regier Education. Took that leap with shifting and clarifying who I am and who do I serve and what do I do. So thanks again. My name is Patricia, and until next time, I hope that you have a light bulb learning moment today and that you're able to reach and engage your audience and create those light bulb aha yes moments when you're creating your learning experiences. Thanks again, and until next time, I'll see you soon.